We detected an unusual trade worth $190 million in Taiwan Semiconductor stock, ticker symbol TSM. And so in this video, we'll analyze this unusual option activity to find out if this wealthy investor is bullish and buying, expecting the stock to move higher, or bearish and selling, expecting the stock to move lower. Because as we all know, the rich have more access to exclusive research and information, sometimes even leaked insider information, giving them an edge to make better, smarter financial decisions. This is how smart money always seems to be one step ahead, well before the rest of the market catches on. No wonder the rich get richer. And so to level the playing field, let's dive into the unusual option activity so that our subscribers and members can profit from this deep knowledge too. As we can see here on the options time and sales tape, on February 5th at 10:32 a.m. at the 4-second mark, these February 20 options at the 290 strike calls and the May 15th options at the 300 strike calls were being traded. 41,500 contracts. But we need to be very careful with these February 20 options at the 290 strike calls, because when we dive deeper into the option chain to find out more about these February 20 options, we can see here that at the 290 strike calls, there's only 1,679 open contracts, which is much less than the 41,500 contracts. So what's going on here? Well, the reason why the open contracts did not increase was because this investor was actually closing out of these options and rolling into a new trade. So this was the closing trade. And the May 15th options over here are the new opening trades. As you can see here, at the 300 strike calls, we have 42,582 open contracts. So they did not open two trades. It was just this one. And that is why you can see our position here marked as POS with the green color indicating a buy position. And so to summarize, they closed out of the February 20 options and rolled into this new trade here that expires May 15th. And so we can calculate the cost of their new trade. We have $45.79 for each of these call options. But keep in mind, this shows option prices, so we need to multiply by 100 since each option controls 100 shares of stock. Or we simply move the decimal 2 places to the right. That means each of these call options cost $4,579. And since there was a total of 41,500 contracts, we multiply that out and we get a total trade cost of $190 million. But keep in mind, just because a trade is large does not necessarily mean it has a high chance of profit. In fact, this trade has a lower chance of profit in comparison to the trades that we share on our website. And so if you want to gain access to the better trade ideas with a higher chance of profit, then make sure to go to our website. We'll put a link at the top here. Keep in mind that our members also get earlier access to trades like this before anyone else, even before we share them with the public. So if you're tired of being late and want more time to act on these opportunities, then just head over to our website where you can see exactly which stocks wealthy investors are trading on Wall Street and when they're doing it, so that you can have the same opportunities as the rich. Because if the rich get richer, why shouldn't you? Now with that said, we still took this trade, but we used position sizing to manage our risk. As we showed earlier, for the May 15th options, we have our position also at the 300 strike calls, because based on our analysis, this investor bought these 300 strike calls for $45.79 each, as we saw on the options time and sales tape. And so when we analyze this trade, we can see here on the risk profile graph where the profit or loss shows up here, and the x-axis represents the share price of the stock, which is currently trading over here, and the y-axis represents the amount of profit or loss. Note the zero break-even line over here. And so when the purple line, which represents the current date, and the blue line, which represents the option's expiration date, are trading below the zero break-even line as the share price goes down, this trade becomes more negative, more loss. And as the share price goes up, this trade becomes more positive, more profitable. In other words, this trade is going long bullish on Taiwan Semiconductor stock. We can confirm that on the options Greeks. This trade has a positive delta, which means it's positioned long and bullish. If it was a short bearish trade, we would see a negative delta instead. But keep in mind the risk of this trade. It has a negative theta, which means it loses value over time due to time decay. And that is why you can see here the purple line drops down lower to the blue line as we approach the options expiration date. And because of this time decay, the break even on this trade moves higher as time goes on. And so you can see here, even though the call options we bought have a strike price of $300, the stock needs to trade above $345 per share for this trade to be profitable at expiration. And because of this added risk, along with other factors, we only took a small position in this trade. We do not invest a lot of capital into these higher risk trades. Instead, we focus most of our capital on lower risk, higher probability of profit trades, the kind of trades we share on our website. If you're interested in those, we'll put a link to our website over here where you can also learn more strategies to increase your profits. Let us know in the comments. Do you think Taiwan Semiconductor stock will move higher or drop lower? As always, please like, subscribe, and until next time, let's keep tracking the trades of the rich so everyday investors can profit too. Take care and have a wonderful day.